If you come home from work one day and you're thinking, what am I gonna make for dinner? And you're tired of all the same stuff, this is a great recipe and a great alternative. It's a black bean quesadilla, and it's really simple, but I love this recipe because it's super fresh and it's all good, wholesome ingredients. Really easy. I've just taken some great northern beans, some diced tomatoes, some herbs and spices, a little nutritional yeast, one of our favorites, and I've just blended that up in a food processor, and it gets this nice creamy mixture. I'm just gonna put it in a bowl, and then to add some chunkiness and some texture, I'm gonna use some more tomatoes, some diced tomatoes, and some black beans. Black beans like this. I'm just gonna dump that in there, about a half a can of that. Some tomatoes. I'm gonna stir this up, and what you'll see is you've got a nice creamy, consistent texture mixture, and then you've got some of that chunky element with the fresh tomatoes and black beans. And then what we're gonna do is we are going to mix all this up, and it's ready to go to the stove. It's that simple. So then what I've done is just got a pan, any pan of your choice, heat it up, put a little olive oil in the bottom. Remember, you always wanna start with a hot pan with olive oil, that way it gets evenly coated and dispersed throughout. I put a flour tortilla down, put my quesadilla mixture in there, get it nice and crispy brown, put another tortilla on top, and then flipped it over, and as you can see, it's got this nice crispy golden brown consistency and texture on top. And then I'm just gonna finish it off here. I cut it into some triangles, however you wanna do it. I'm gonna top this off with some fresh pico de gallo, some chunky salsa here, some fresh guacamole. So good, so fresh. And what I love about this quesadilla is it's all really good, fresh ingredients. Nothing fake, no fake meats, anything like that. Super fresh, amazing, great flavors. And remember, for those of you that know, plant-based is the way to go.